Service mode on a Tesla Model S is a special diagnostic mode that allows advanced users and technicians to access system-level data, calibration options, and troubleshooting utilities. It bypasses the standard user interface to reveal the electronic control unit data, CAN bus communications, and subsystem diagnostics. This mode grants access to features like live sensor data, error codes, and advanced settings for component calibration. Understand that unauthorized use can void warranties or risk system instability. The traditional physical entry method starts by powering on the Model S. Ensure the vehicle is stationary and safely parked before proceeding. For models manufactured before 2020, simultaneously hold the brake pedal, press the left scroll button on the steering wheel, and turn the key or use the start button. For newer models, hold the center button on the steering wheel and both scroll buttons simultaneously, while tapping the service icon on the touchscreen. This should trigger a diagnostic menu with options like Diagnostics, Service, and Calibrate. Note that these steps are only applicable if the vehicle doesn't have an active Tesla service plan. This traditional method has been mostly phased out by software updates and newer service features. Since 2025, Tesla has introduced a service mode toggle within the Tesla mobile app's Diagnostics tab for vehicles with active Tesla insurance or service plans. Accessing this feature requires authentication, typically via a service PIN or biometric scan. This app-based entry is particularly beneficial for remote troubleshooting, such as addressing battery degradation issues in older Model S units, significantly reducing the need for physical dealership visits. To demonstrate, here's how it appears in the Tesla mobile app. Users navigate to the Diagnostics tab, authenticate, and toggle service mode remotely. Remember, an active subscription is required for this feature to be available in your Tesla application. Once in service mode, you'll encounter a diagnostic menu displaying live sensor data, including battery voltage, motor temperatures, and tire pressures. Error codes appear using the DTC format, such as P0123 for coolant issues or PU300 for misfires. Advanced settings allow calibration of components like steering, suspension, and autopilot sensors. These tools enable precise adjustments for optimal vehicle performance. A key element is the security layer, requiring a 4-digit PIN, default 000 for new vehicles, or Tesla service authentication to prevent misuse. Always ensure you understand each parameter before making any adjustments to avoid system issues. Service mode provides core components like the Diagnostics menu, showing live sensor data and fault logs with error codes in DTC format. Advanced settings allow calibration of systems such as steering, suspension, or autopilot sensors. The mode interrupts the standard boot sequence, loading a minimal UI that interfaces with the vehicle's network, pulling data from modules like the battery management system or media control unit. Understanding sensor data and error codes is crucial for effective diagnostics, potentially saving time and money on repairs. Always perform service mode operations in a safe, stationary environment to prevent accidents. Park the vehicle securely and ensure no one is nearby during diagnostics. Back up your data beforehand, as resets can erase custom settings. Save configurations, preferences, and any personalized data to avoid permanent loss. Never attempt procedures you are uncomfortable with. Incorrect adjustments can lead to system instability, vehicle damage, or even safety hazards like brake failures. Unauthorized modifications may also void your warranty. Tesla emphasizes professional use to maintain safety standards. If unsure, consult an authorized Tesla service center or follow official guidelines to avoid risks. Be aware of cybersecurity vulnerabilities that could compromise your vehicle's systems. Tesla's service mode is increasingly integrated with AI and cloud-based services. AI-driven analytics predict failures, such as flagging battery cell imbalances in advance. Full self-driving systems now tie service mode to real-time calibration. This allows OTA fixes for sensor drift. Expect fully virtual service modes in the future, potentially via VR headsets. Though cybersecurity risks demand stricter regulations and robust encryption methods, this evolution transforms service mode into a proactive, connected system. Service mode has proven invaluable in real-world scenarios, from large-scale recalls to individual repairs and fleet management. Let's explore some practical applications. During the 2024 battery recall, Tesla used remote service mode to diagnose and update firmware on over 15,000 Model S vehicles. Owners reported issues through the app, and technicians accessed diagnostics without needing the vehicle physically present. This approach resolved 95% of cases via over-the-air updates, saving both time and costs for everyone involved. In a documented case from 2023, a Model S owner used service mode to recalibrate the air suspension after installing aftermarket shocks. By accessing the diagnostics menu, they manually adjusted parameters to restore proper ride balance. This demonstrates how service mode empowers users to perform DIY maintenance, though it also highlights potential risks if adjustments aren't done correctly. Tesla's partnership with rental company Hertz in 2025 utilized service mode for mass diagnostics on Model S fleets. By analyzing wear patterns across hundreds of vehicles, they identified maintenance needs early and extended vehicle lifespans by an average of 15%. This fleet-level application showcases how service mode supports large-scale vehicle management and predictive maintenance. These real-world examples illustrate service mode's dual role in driving innovation through remote capabilities and predictive analytics, while also requiring careful risk management to ensure safe and proper use.